can start to make money today, even as a beginner, is what I'm going to show you in this video. Hello, Tommy Olsson here. Thanks for checking out this video. So my first tips is about creating web designs and sell. And maybe you're thinking, well, doesn't that take a lot of exporting and other stuff? No, it doesn't. I have used this. I created this page selling web designs quite easy through a drag and drop feature with OptimizePress. I use a platform where you can start through a 14-day free trial, getting started, creating websites and other. You have a blog and everything. But talking about web designs, you've got training tutorials on how to create the different sites and support if you get stuck. It's really easy to use OptimizePress. It's, like I said, drag and drop, and I can leave a thumbnail to a training on creating sites with OptimizePress. Otherwise, check out my channel for my earlier videos about OptimizePress as well. And now to my second tip on how to start making money. That is dropshipping. Dropshipping is not dead, even if some markets may say that it's more or less is dead, but it's not. You can still make money with dropshipping, and that is a dropshipping site you also can create through the link below that I share here. And the third tips on how to start making money today is to create a review blog where you review different products that you have bought or get access to, so you can tell them your audience all about the features with about this business and my opinions on it and so on. It's important when you do a review that you're not only putting forward the benefits with the product and why they should buy it. If you find some flaw in the product, it's important that you address that as well in the blog post, because your readers will appreciate that you just not only try to sell them something. But of course you should lift forward the positive aspects of that. But there you have it, my 3 tips on how to start making money online. So if you want to get started creating websites and having your own blog and such, create funnels through a free trial, then click the link below. And thanks so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.